Okay, hi guys. So it's me, Natalie, my sister here, and my friend Jasmine, and Isaac up there that he doesn't want to do anything no more.
Hi.
Which is building my slime.
Wow.
It's a slime tour. Okay, it doesn't matter. So guys, we're gonna show you my slime and squishies that I have right here. It's personal, and do not ask me why I have a marshmallow head. You know me.
You're so dramatic. Stop.
Me? Never mind. Okay, so my first squishy is this one. So I'm gonna do cuteness 1 to 10 or softness 1 to 10. I'll give this one like an 8, and then the cuteness like probably a 9. Okay, let's see what Jasmine
Put that a 0.
Gotta go, guys.
I think 10 the softness because my hands really hurt and it feels good. Oh my god, my hands are red. And the cuteness, I'll give it an 8. Yeah, an 8. Oh my god, this is so. Yeah.
Hi, boy.
Yeah. So let's move on to the next.
Let's go on to the next squishy.
So it's this. Cuteness, totally 10. I mean, like, look at this face. And the softness, like a 5, I guess. It's not that really soft.
Oh.
The next squishy.
Using the stretcher one.
If you want, you could do it on me.
I don't know. Here.
Let's see what Natalie thinks.
Oh, they're gonna see it.
That's my slime.
Oh. I'm like,
Please don't be mom.
cuteness? Cuteness. Oh my god, yes. I'll give this like 100. Say
You said 10.
okay, fine. A 10, which is 100.
I got 10 too.
Anyways, yeah. And
That's another 0.
but the hardness, I'm like the squishiness.
that's so hard.
I gave it like a 5.
I gave it a 0. I don't like it. And yeah.
There's a balloon that she had.
Natalie, I just gonna make slime, okay? Natalie,
Yes!
Natalie, can I take my slime?
And this is my other. Yes! And I have
Wash your hand.
a slime.
Look how red my hand is.
Nelly, can I use the glue?
Just don't use it all. Nelly, can I use your slime? One of those containers up there. Oh, that container.
Okay.
So yeah, guys. Oh my god, it smells
Can
like
you go
game.
get the activator for me?
Wait, hold on. Yeah, guys, and please, guys, please, give, wait, no. Give, subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And before you even subscribe, please turn on the links down below. Thank you. Bye.
How do you even use this thing? Why is it so sticky?